Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the activity, we have the community, the chat, and the calendar. Also in the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams. So using breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams is a great way for dividing participants into smaller groups for more focused discussions. First, either schedule a new meeting or start a new existing one. Once in the meeting, click on the breakout rooms icon in the meeting controls. Select the number of breakout rooms. You need to choose whether you want Teams to assign people automatically or if you'd rather do it manually. If you choose manual assignment, you'll need to assign participants to each room. Drag and drop participants into desired rooms. Click open rooms to start all new breakout rooms. Participants will be automatically moved to their assigned rooms. You can join any breakout room to check on the groups or broadcast a message to all rooms if needed. When the breakout sessions are over, click close room to bring everyone back to the main meeting. After closing the rooms, you can review what was discussed in each room with the whole group. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.